Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Pholourie quick mix. Pholourie are a beloved, savory snack from Trinidad and Tobago, often enjoyed with a sweet and tangy dipping sauce. Creating a quick mix allows you to whip up these delightful fried dough balls in a fraction of the usual time. We'll start by gathering our core dry ingredients, which typically include all-purpose flour, a leavening agent like baking powder, and a blend of aromatic spices to give them their signature flavor. Now let's craft the dry quick mix. In a spacious bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 tablespoon of baking powder, which helps achieve that perfect fluffy texture. Next, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder for its vibrant color and a subtle earthy note, along with half a teaspoon of cumin powder for its distinctive aroma. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly for about 30 seconds, ensuring an even distribution of all components. With your dry mix ready, it's time to create the batter. Gradually pour in about 1 1/4 cups of water, stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Next, add 1 tablespoon of finely minced garlic and 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped chadonbini, also known as culantro, for an authentic flavor. Mix everything until you achieve a smooth, thick batter, similar to pancake batter. Allow this mixture to rest for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for tender Pholourie. Finally, let's fry these delightful treats. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a small spoon or your fingers, carefully drop small, marble-sized portions of batter into the hot oil. Fry them in batches for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Drain on paper towels and serve your warm, fluffy Pholourie immediately with your favorite tamarind or mango chutney. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.